so our community and environment is healthy and safe.
What are you doing right now in Munsay?
We're cleaning up the environment in our school. Give it a better and safer place.
Diba? Saan mag-edit na? Wala yun sa akin pa ko. Alam mo, kapag nag-aaral.
So, ngayon, we're doing the cleanup drive. Parang lilinis kami around the school. Attend with students. Parang documentary to
Documentation to.
Siguro nalagyan niya ng mga paper niyo. Right now, we're at Munsay and we're doing a cleanup drive.
How many trash have you got?
Ang dami po! Ako dahil sama niyo ako yung ako group. Hi pa! Good kid!
Good kid. Demi, say hi.
Magandang araw everyone! Today we are at Munsay and we're going to participate in the cleanup drive. All Munsayans are required to participate here. So let's go! Maglinis! Aim high, Munsay!